I welcome you to the Success Talk Show. So today we have with us Rashida Kapadia ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rohan, for having me on the show.
Madam is an amazing image consultant. Would you like to introduce yourself to our audience?
I have been in this profession since the past 17 years now. I have worked with a lot of individual students and helped them develop themselves into better individuals. I began when nobody knew what an image consultant is, so I think I'm one of the pioneer image consultants in the country. And that time, I used to tell everyone that I am a personality development trainer because nobody understood what image consultancy is all about. So nobody understood what it meant. Okay, what is a consultant? What do you do? Is it about some cameras or pictures or something like that? So then I had to tell them, no, I'm into personality development, and that's how people started coming to me, and that's how my career began.
Great. It was really an amazing journey that you have been through. If we talk about the success, what is your definition of success?
So success is dependent on each person's individual thought process and mindset. And for me, success is an amalgamation of everything. So I think being able to balance family life, husband, children, in-laws, being able to also contribute to society, doing social work and helping a lot of individuals, as well as doing well in my career, managing all of them with a good balance is what I feel is my success mantra.
Great, great. So you define success as a balance in the life and achieving the higher levels in each aspect. So it was a wonderful definition that you have shared with our audience. Ma'am, second question we ask, that is, what are the different source, or what things which basically motivates you? What are the things which inspires you?
My mission is to groom India, so I always use the hashtag mission groom India because after having traveled to so many countries of the world, I have traveled extensively and meeting people from all over the world. I feel that we Indians are lacking a lot when it comes to being respectful, when it comes to minding our manners and etiquette, when it comes to all these little small nuances in our behavior, in our dressing style, in our attitude, in our acceptance of others is where we lack. Our please, minding our P's and Q's, using please and thank you very often doesn't come naturally to us. We need to help people change their mindset and become more caring towards others, more respectful towards our own country and our people. So I think that is what motivates me, helping people to improve and become
Yes, yes.
better. What motivates me, and of course, all the skills that I have. So the skills that I have learned and I have developed, and the experience that I have got over the years, I feel that if I'm able to share it with more and more people can uh, develop themselves into better individuals, that is my biggest motivation.
Great. So contributing to society, reaching with the audience, and that particular thing is basically inspires you. Great. Ma'am, if we talk about the success, if we talk about the inspiration, would you like to share some thoughts about the Success Talk Show?
So the Success Talk Show is a great initiative taken by Rohan, and I'm glad that you have taken this initiative to get more and more people share their stories about success. And I think that if you listen to more people and their stories about success, you get more motivated. You also learn a lot from how they have overcome their difficulties and in what way they have tackled all these problems that they have been through to come out of it and become more successful. So I think it's a great initiative that you have taken to help and motivate and inspire others to take the necessary steps because success doesn't come easy. There are a lot of roadblocks, there are a lot of failures that we go through, and if there are people who come on a talk show like this and speak about their experiences, they can help a lot of others to become successful in their lives as well.
Thank you for being a part of the Success Talk Show, ma'am. And if our audience want to contact you, how they can
Mm.
contact you, ma'am?
Or they can email me on image makeovers by Orchid or Rashida Kapadia. They can contact me. My website is www.imagemakeover.in. Or they can read my blogs. I have YouTube channel also, either Rashida Kapadia or Orchid Complete Makeover.
Great, great. Thank you for being a part of the Success Talk Show and wish you all the great success in your life. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you
you
for
so much.
joining the Success Talk.
Thank you, Rohan. Thank you for inviting me on your wonderful show. Wishing you all the best for more success stories.
Thank you.
Thank you.